The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Welcome everyone to another exciting travel video. Today, we're shifting gears a bit and focusing on destinations that marry fun and affordability. Yes, you heard it right. We're going on an exploration of budget-friendly locales that are brimming with unique experiences and a whole lot of adventure. We'll be journeying to the heart of the Smoky Mountains to discover the charm of Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. Next, we'll feel the warm sands beneath our feet in Gulf Shores, Alabama. Lastly, we'll step back in time in the historic city of St. Augustine, Florida. Each of these places brings its own unique flavor, from rich history to stunning nature, from mouth-watering cuisine to family-friendly activities. So buckle up, pack your bags, and let's embark on this journey together. Our first stop is the charming mountain town of Pigeon Forge in Tennessee. Nestled at the foot of the Smoky Mountains, Pigeon Forge is a gem waiting to be discovered. Getting here is quite straightforward. If you're driving, it's easily accessible via Interstate 40, with scenic routes that offer a preview of the beauty that awaits. Accommodation in Pigeon Forge caters to all budgets. For those looking to save some pennies, there are numerous campgrounds and motels that provide affordable comfort. If you prefer a bit more luxury without breaking the bank, consider some of the town's cozy cabins or charming bed and breakfasts. Once you're settled in, it's time to explore the myriad of family-friendly activities that Pigeon Forge has to offer. A must-visit is Dollywood, the famed amusement park co-owned by country music legend Dolly Parton. With thrilling rides, live music performances, and a glimpse into the Appalachian culture, it's a treat for the whole family. For the nature lovers, hiking in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park is a delightful experience. With trails for every skill level, the park offers breathtaking views, a chance to spot some wildlife, and a healthy dose of fresh mountain air. Now, let's talk food. Pigeon Forge is a haven for foodies on a budget. The town is dotted with home-style diners serving up hearty Southern comfort food that won't drain your wallet. Try some mouth-watering biscuits and gravy for breakfast, or a generous serving of pulled pork barbecue for dinner. And don't forget to sample the local specialty, apple fritters. Pigeon Forge is a treasure trove of fun and adventure, sure to leave you with unforgettable memories. Whether you're a thrill seeker, a nature enthusiast, or just looking for a relaxing getaway, this mountain town has something for everyone. So pack your bags and let Pigeon Forge be your next budget-friendly travel destination. Next on our list is the stunning coastal city of Gulf Shores, Alabama. Nestled on the Gulf of Mexico, Gulf Shores is an easy drive from major cities like Mobile, Alabama, and New Orleans, Louisiana. If you're coming from afar, the nearest airport is Pensacola International in Florida, a little over an hour's drive away. Once you're here, there's a range of budget-friendly accommodations to choose from. You'll find affordable hotels, charming bed and breakfasts, and even beachfront campgrounds for the more adventurous. Some may even offer off-season discounts, so it's worth asking when you book. As for the fun part, Gulf Shores is brimming with engaging activities. Start with a visit to the Alabama Gulf Coast Zoo. Known as the Little Zoo That Could, it's home to over 300 animals and offers an up-close and personal experience that's hard to beat. Entry fees are reasonable, and the memories you'll make are priceless. Next, don your bathing suit and head for the city's main attraction, its gorgeous beaches. With miles of white sand and crystal-clear waters, it's the perfect place for a spot of sunbathing, a playful game of beach volleyball, or a leisurely stroll along the shoreline. If you're a fan of the great outdoors, the Gulf State Park is a must-visit. With its hiking and biking trails, fishing pier, and picnic areas, it's a great place to spend a day without spending a fortune. When it comes to food, Gulf Shores is a seafood lover's dream. There's a bounty of budget-friendly restaurants serving up the freshest catch of the day, straight from the Gulf. Try the shrimp at Doc's Seafood Shack or the oysters at Acme Oyster House, both local favorites that won't break the bank. So, whether you're a beach bum, an animal lover, or a seafood connoisseur, Gulf Shores has something for everyone. And the best part? It's all yours to explore without burning a hole in your pocket. Gulf Shores is a paradise for beach lovers and an ideal destination for a budget-friendly vacation. Last but not least, we head to the historic city of St. Augustine, Florida. A gem on the East Coast, this city is an easy drive from major hubs like Jacksonville, Orlando, and Miami. Just hop on the I-95 and you're on your way to a treasure trove of history and beach fun. When it comes to budget-friendly places to stay, St. Augustine doesn't disappoint. There are numerous campgrounds for the outdoorsy types, such as Anastasia State Park, where you can wake up to the sound of waves. If camping isn't your thing, fear not. There are plenty of affordable motels and vacation rentals that maintain a high standard of comfort without breaking the bank. St. Augustine is a city that's rich in history and brimming with activities that won't drain your wallet. A must-see is the Castillo de San Marcos, a 17th-century Spanish fort where you can step back in time without stepping out of your budget. The admission fee is quite modest and the experience priceless. Don't forget to explore the historic district. With its cobblestone streets and old-world charm, it's like stepping into a time machine. And best of all, it's free. You can also enjoy the beautiful beaches of St. Augustine without spending a dime. Just pack a picnic, slather on some sunscreen, and you're all set for a day of sun, sand, and sea. And when it comes to food, St. Augustine has a plethora of budget-friendly options. From fresh seafood shacks to cozy pizzerias, there's something for every palate and pocket. Don't miss out on local favorites like the Menorcan clam chowder or the St. Augustine shrimp. St. Augustine, with its rich history and beautiful beaches, is a must-visit destination for budget travelers. So pack your bags, hit the road, and get ready to experience a piece of America's past without emptying your savings. It's time to make some unforgettable memories in St. Augustine, Florida. And that wraps up our journey to 3 fantastic budget-friendly travel destinations. We've been through the scenic beauty of Pigeon Forge in Tennessee, the serene beaches of Gulf Shores in Alabama, and the historic charm of St. Augustine in Florida. Each of these places offers a unique experience that is sure to be unforgettable, and all without breaking the bank. Let's take a moment to recap. Pigeon Forge, nestled in the heart of Tennessee, is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. With its verdant landscapes, it offers a myriad of budget-friendly activities, from hiking the Smoky Mountains to exploring the Dollywood theme park. Your taste buds are also in for a treat with the region's hearty southern cuisine. Next, we set our sights on Gulf Shores in Alabama. This coastal city is synonymous with pristine beaches and crystal-clear waters. For those on a budget, there's no shortage of affordable yet thrilling activities. From sunbathing on the sandy beaches to fishing in the Gulf, there's something for everyone. And let's not forget the fresh seafood that the Gulf Shores is famous for. Last, but certainly not least, we visited St. Augustine in Florida. As the oldest city in the U.S., it boasts a rich history that's reflected in its architecture and landmarks. You can explore the historic district, visit the iconic lighthouse, or enjoy a picnic in one of its many parks. And with a range of budget-friendly accommodations and eateries, it's a destination that's kind to your wallet. These 3 destinations prove that you don't need to spend a fortune to have a memorable vacation. So whether you're an adventure seeker, a history buff, or a beach lover, there's a budget-friendly destination waiting for you. Thank you for joining us on this travel adventure. If you have been to any of these places before, do leave a comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for more information and savings. Until next time, safe travels.